Hi, hello friends. This is Sergia. So today I'll be talking in the physiological changes in pregnancy. First, I'll be dealing with the hematological changes in pregnancy. Then later in the next video, we'll see about the biochemical changes in pregnancy, guys. So it is very important and an easy topic where we should all have a perfect notes of what we are studying, guys. Okay. So this video, if you see, first of all, we are going to see about hematology. So hematology has what in it? It has blood. Okay, so blood and blood means we have RBC, WBC, platelets. Then inside which we have plasma. So those things, what all changes they are undergoing, those things we will learn, guys. Okay, it is very easy, guys. See, remember, as I told you, we have RBCs. Then we have plasma. Okay, these both are forming predominantly the blood volume. I hope you all are understanding. So when you see during pregnancy, the total volume is actually increasing by 30%, whereas the plasma is increasing by 50%, whereas RBC is increasing just 20%, because of which there is hemodilution occurring in the blood. So this concept is a very simple concept, guys. Why are we saying the hemodilution? See, there is increasing in RBC also. Everything is increasing. Then how is it leading to hemodilution? Remember, there is a milk and we are adding water to it. It is getting diluted. Same way here, the water we are adding is just the RBCs. The plasma is the water, and we are saying it is getting hemodilution because when you add more and more water to the milk, so here we are adding 50% of plasma to the RBC. So for sure there will be hemodilution. Do you guys understand? Here it is just 20% of increase of RBCs. That leads to hemodilution. This is very simple concept. Just remember this number: 30%, 20%, 50% total blood volume, RBCs and plasma. That's it, guys. So these changes will be happening in a very high amount during second trimester. And we should all remember, during the last weeks of pregnancy, by 32 to 34 of the week, it will be standing in a plateau. I hope you all understanding. It will start to increase in the first trimester. It will be increasing to a high peak during second trimester, and during 32 to by 34 weeks everything will be ending. But from the second trimester till the 32 weeks, it will be in a plateau form. I hope you all understood it. Then this hypervolemia is for what? What purpose? Because the uterus is getting enlarged, guys, because of which there is high demand for the uterus, because the hypertrophied vascular systems and the enlarged uterus are of great demand. Thereby there is hypervolemia. Second is to protect the mother during the adverse effect of blood loss during parturitions, to protect the fetus from the deleterious effect of impaired venous return in supine and erect position, guys. I hope you all understood. Then when you see we need to understand that this, here we saw the total volume is what, maternal blood volume is what increasing in the second trimester, and it is till 34 weeks, whereas the erythrocyte volume, it will start to begin from 10 to 20 weeks only. Okay, 10 to 20 weeks only it is starting to increase, and it will start to increase till the end of the pregnancy, guys. That you should always remember. And when you see the erythrocyte volume, how much it is increasing is from 1400 to 1650, guys. So I want you all to note these values and keep it in the side, guys. So I'll write it so that it is useful for every one of us. So if you see, from 1400 it is increasing to 1650. Okay, so it is the erythrocyte volume. Okay, now that is what is important. That is the thing is here it will start to increase from 10 to 12 weeks, and it will go till the end of the pregnancies. But it is not so in the total blood volume. Blood volume, it will start to increase in the first trimester itself, and it will be till 32 to 34 weeks, guys. Then later on, if you see the change in composition, see erythrocyte will be down, hemoglobin will become down, hematocrit will become down, but the leukocyte will count would be increasing. What is the amount we have, that those things we should write, guys. See, erythrocyte from about 4.5 million, it would change into something somewhere around 3.7 million cubic millimeter. Okay, million per cubic millimeter. Whereas the hemoglobin will increase from 13 to 14 to 11 to 12. I hope you all understood. Gram per liter. Later on, if you see hematocrit, it is increasing from for about it is actually decreasing. Sorry, it is decreasing from 40 percentage. It is decreasing to 33 percentage, 32 to 33 percentage, 33 to 34 percentage. This is hematocrit. Later on, what you should remember, the leukocyte count. Leukocyte count is what is increasing, but the leukocyte count, it is increasing from about it is increasing about 12,000, from 4,000 to 7,000. Sorry, 7,000 to 10,000. It is increasing to per cubic meter. I hope you all understood. Later on, if you see the coagulation factors in pregnancies, those all will actually be increasing only. Platelet is what is actually decreasing. What you should remember is platelet is what decreasing. The clotting factor, bleeding time, actually they need to be unchanged actually. So they are remaining unchanged. Whereas total fibrinogen, it is increasing. It is actually increasing by about 50%. It is increasing about 50%. So it is increasing from 250, 260 to 288. 288 to 576%. Whereas, guys, this platelet is what alone is, this is what fibrinogen. Okay, fibrinogen. Whereas platelet is what is actually decreasing. Okay, guys. Then last nothing but the plasminogen activity is also increased, and the fibrinogen degradation product is also increasing. So the main thing is, in coagulation factor, everything will be increasing except the platelet level. But here in a change in the composition, if you see, only the leukocyte is increasing, remaining everything is falling down. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.